On YouTube, every creator talks about views, subscribers, and watch time. But there's one metric that quietly controls everything, and most creators barely understand it. Today, we're breaking down CTR, click-through rate, the secret metric behind YouTube growth, explained in the simplest, clearest, and most cinematic way. CTR is the percentage of viewers who clicked on your video after seeing your thumbnail or your title. It decides whether YouTube pushes your content or leaves it behind. Imagine this. Your video appears 10,000 times across YouTube, on the home feed, suggested videos, or shorts. Out of those 10,000 impressions, only 700 people click. That's a 7% CTR. It's simple math. Clicks divided by impressions multiplied by 100. CTR is more than a number. It's a reflection of how powerful your thumbnail and title are. 6 to 10% CTR is considered strong. Anything above 10% means your topic and thumbnail are connecting perfectly. Below 3%, your video is struggling to convert impressions into clicks. So, how do you check your CTR? Go to YouTube Studio, open your video, tap Analytics, then go to the Reach tab. Right there, you'll see Impressions, CTR, and how many views came from those impressions. This number quietly decides the future of your video. Now, let's talk
The first
improvement.
rule: simplicity wins. Most creators overcrowd their thumbnails. Too much text, too many elements, too many distractions. The best performing thumbnails usually follow a simple formula. One big visual, one short line. Clear, fast, immediately readable. Second rule: curiosity beats information. People don't click because you explained the whole story in the title. They click because they want to know more. A curiosity-driven title makes the viewer think, I need to see what happens. Not clickbait, curiosity. Third rule: make your subject pop. Contrast is everything. A clear, bright subject against a dark or cinematic background always wins. Your thumbnail should instantly pull the eye, even when it's very small. Fourth rule: get closer. Zoom in. Tight crops perform better. When your subject is small or far away, people scroll past without noticing. But when the subject fills the frame, they stop. Fifth rule: consistency. When your thumbnails follow a recognizable design style, viewers begin to trust you. They see your thumbnail and immediately know this video belongs to you. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds clicks. Finally, here's the truth. CTR equals clicks, and clicks equal growth. If people aren't clicking, they'll never watch. If they never watch, your video won't grow. But once you understand CTR and improve it, everything becomes easier. Your videos reach more people. Your impressions rise. Your channel begins to scale. Growth becomes predictable. This is the power of CTR. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more cinematic creator guides. Your time matters. If you found value here, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more smart tech guides and creator tools. Catch you in the next video.